Nana.
Silas, can you open the bottle? Can you open it? Open? Okay, I'll open it. Can you close it? Can you close it? Was it your camera smile? It's very fetching. Can you close it, Silas? Can you close it? No? You gonna put stuff in your mouth like when you're a baby? Hmm? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say apple? Apple? Can you say dawa? Dawa. Can you say dada? Dawa? Dada? Can you say bike? Bike. Very good. I love you, buddy.